vlogging today because I got invited to a VLCC event. I mean, I never get invited to things like that, so I'm like super excited. Sorry if it is echoey again because we're still not furnished and I don't want to be furnished in a way because it means more cleaning, I guess. But anyway, before I head off, I thought I'll just show you guys my makeup. It's very summery, simple. I've got the Maybelline Cheeky Glow blush in the shade peach something. It's a peachy shade, and I've got the Fallen Mauve lipstick as well. I've kept my makeup super simple, and yeah, you guys know I got my hair cut. And I'll show you my outfit. It's so casual. Can you please film it for me? Vicky is doing this, by the way. Go more back. More back. I am gonna go with a simple white shirt, basic, and my black jeans. That's okay. We have a ladder because we're still setting this house. And I got a whole set of beads that I bought from Gokarna. Like they're all necklaces, but I'm wearing them around my wrist. So that's my accessory today. And yeah, I think if I don't leave now, I will be officially late. So I'm gonna pack my camera and leave. I'll see you guys inside. Let's see what the VLCC people have planned for us.
We have come a long way. We now have our presence over 11 countries across the globe. In this country itself, we are present in around 360 odd formats. So we have wellness centers, we have institutes, we also have franchisees that we've given out to a lot of people. Okay? Now when I say a wellness center, it is a center where we have both slimming as well as beauty services available. What happens in today's lifestyle with kind of the lifestyle, the kind of pollution, stress, etc. we're living in, your lines, your age starts showing on a very early stage. 25 is the time when you should actually start with your anti-aging treatment. You should start taking care. You should use a good night cream required. Nobody is saying go into like extreme anti-aging, but yes, that is the age when you start with the anti-aging regime. You start off with that.
What is the best diet to have, especially if you're somebody who's suffering from PCOS? I mean, we're all bloggers here, we're all a whole bunch of women, and my viewers, obviously I have about 85% of them are women. So I want to know what is the best kind of a diet if you're somebody suffering from PCOS.
She's a qualified dermat and she does a lot of procedures for us. And Dr. Ruby, people here have questions that what is the right diet for PCOD or PCOS?
Okay, so all of us are aware nowadays PCOD, PCOS is the most common, I would call it a trend rather than a disease or something. PCOD is polycystic ovarian disease or polycystic ovarian syndrome. This is commonly seen in obese people. Obesity, PCOD, obesity. It's a vicious circle which can be broken down A through giving hormones, B losing weight. So I think losing weight is a more natural process where we can do that. So PCOD, the diet which needs to be followed is a high protein and low carb, less fat diet.
Alright.
Exercise reverses PCOD beautifully. If we can follow a high protein, low carb, you lose 5 kgs and you just see your FSH, LH levels and PP insulin. These are 3 precursors which we calculate during PCOD profiles will automatically come down.
All right, thank you. This is more beauty related.
She's a derma doctor, remember that.
All right, that's cool. Then I want to know, now that it is summer, despite using a lot of sunscreen, we anyway tend to tan a lot when we get out of the our house. So what is the best thing, like if you've had a very bad sunburn or if you've tanned a lot?
See, we'll give you an anti-tan. We'll take care of your sunburn, and the tanning, remove it, and send you back looking as fresh as
As fresh you are.
Oh, that's really nice, but I would really like a nice tip like that we can do instantly. The moment you go home, what can you do
what
to
happens?
protect your skin?
Sunburn is you burnt your skin, right? You need to calm it. It is irritated. Just, drawing an analogy from you've heard something that's irritated, you need to calm it. So either you apply an aloe vera which soothes it, makes it feel nice and calm. Put water if you have to, so that the moisture is there and it calms it. You need to calm your skin first because it's very irritated, extremely aggravated, right? Okay.
All right, thank you.
First heal it. And then, so sunburn and suntan are 2 different things. Sun tanning, like Dr. Ruby said, 4 hours is max what a sunscreen protection comes. Does a maximum what a sunscreen protects us against. You need to reapply the sunscreen regularly. It's after 4 hours, 5 hours, just wash your face with water and reapply the sunscreen. Sunburn, if you get first, let your skin heal. Apply a good moisturizer, apply aloe vera if it suits you, and then come back to a professional who will help you take care of the market.
Ruby, could you just
All right, thank you so much.
buy your facelift?
It's your body which is asking you for it. Remember one thing, stay attuned to your body. Your body asks you for it. And there are a lot of my colleagues here who make fun of me. यार ये पानी पीती है कि क्या करती है? I drink in a day. I drink somewhere around 8 to 9 liters of water. And it's not that I'm addicted to it. I need it. So if I sit down to drink, I'll drink a bottle of water because I'm asking for it, right? And there is another colleague who sits next to me and he barely drinks 2 sips of water. But his skin is also equally hydrated and so is mine.
Okay.
So it is your body's tuning, which is, so your body is asking, there's no bare minimum.
But an
no
average,
bare
there's an
maximum.
average. So 2 to 3 liters is a recommended.
And it's okay, right, if I drink a lot of water. For
It's
my
okay.
body size, I drink about 6 liters of water every day.
It is okay.
And I had read an article which said that ideally you should not drink water after 6 p.m. and not consume salt.
You know, honestly, there is another reason what happens. After a point, it's the kidney which has to do the filtration. It puts a load on your kidney.
Okay.
So देखिए, अभी आप जिस age पे हैं, your body is functioning very.
Alright, so the event is done. Guess who I am with?
If you haven't seen the video already on my channel, because I think it will go live on my channel first.
Yeah, probably. But oh my god, it was so fun catching up
It
with
was
you.
so-
after
it was such an amazing
long
coincidence.
time. I know.
So Ranju was standing in one corner looking like this and I'm like, Ranju! And then we both were like dancing and jumping.
Yeah, I
around
know.
for
I
5
was like,
minutes.
after such a long time. I mean, we spoke last week and we were like, let's sit down and do a collab and stuff.
We
and
keep planning collabs
yeah,
and then we
yeah,
never
all
do it.
the time. And it was so fun. And we thought we should at least catch up, if not for a collab, at least just to meet and
You wanna
catch up.
come over to my place right now?
Oh, I really
See, this is
wish.
what happens. We plan, we decide we should meet, but then nobody has a time. So
Yeah, that's true. Oh my god, that's so horrible. But next time, let's like plan, fix up a date. We'll
yeah,
like
we say
blow
that
off
too.
everybody
we
else.
say that too, but
No, this time we will do
April,
it.
April. Let's do a
April.
shoot together. Let's do an Instagram shoot.
Yes,
When we
that's
plan
the
an
only
Instagram
way we probably do things.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, let's do that. So yeah, thank you so much, you guys. I mean, I can't believe I'm like super happy, stoked that
This
I
was
met
a
you, but
great event.
got
It
to
was
learn
great
quite a
meeting
lot.
so many new bloggers. It was great meeting Ranju. And yes, we actually learned a lot. We really genuinely learned a lot.
Yeah, and how
The-
sweet they gave us like a hamper, man. I'm gonna go home and show you guys what's
Rip this
in there.
apart.
Yeah. But yeah,
Actually, my
I'm gonna
puppy,
go
you know, she
home.
loves. So whenever I get a new parcel, a new courier these days, she's the one who usually opens it
Oh
by
my
biting and
arm.
scratching. So, okay.
I did.
Let's end this video. You're having trouble
Yeah,
holding the
I
camera.
did the bicep workout at gym, so I'm like all hurting.
Oh,
Alright,
to
I'll
hold the
see you
camera?
back home, guys.
bye.
So I'm home now and I have a very bad case of helmet head, I guess. I mean, my hair was so curly and fluffy and poofy in the morning, and because I've been wearing helmet and riding around today, it's just like stuck to my scalp. Oh, I mean, I have completely forgotten to tell you guys. I think in the morning, I actually don't remember how much information I gave. I don't know what I really told about the event. The event actually was a bloggers meet arranged by VLCC, and the motto behind it was actually, I think, to kind of educate bloggers about the skincare and things like that. I mean, most of us anyway do blogs believing what we know is right, but today we were kind of given some information like with the scientific fact behind it. Anyway, and how hot was it today? Oh my god. Anyway, the reason why I thought I will finish the vlog here in my house is because I kind of wanted to show you guys what all they gave us at the VLCC thing. One of the best things I feel like is they gave me sort of a card which is like a preloaded card. Let me just show it to you guys. I can activate this one and use any of their services for up to 1,500 bucks. That was so sweet of them. And in my goodie bag they gave me a whole lot of things, so I thought I'll just open and show it to you guys. So the first thing they have given me is this Advanced Shape Up 10-in-1 Skin Essence Oil. So this is that thing. What it does is remove scars, stretch marks, uneven skin tone, aging skin, dehydrating skin, poor skin texture, cellulite problem, cracked elbow, unhealthy nails, dull skin. So, and this is paraben free. So I'm going to use this. I mean, I definitely have unhealthy nails. They crack, chip and keep peeling all the time. So I'm going to use it and definitely let you guys know if this is completely worth it. The next thing that I gave, and something that I'm super happy about, is their Slimmers Herbal Infusion with green tea. I love green tea. If I had it my way, I would probably drink like 10 cups of green tea, and I'm always looking for an excuse to make myself a cup of tea. So yeah, I'm super stoked. And the last thing is, yes man, this is what I'm super crazy about. This is the VLCC Diamond Facial Kit for skin polishing and purification. Okay, I haven't tried any kind of a facial kit at all before. If I want a facial, then I always go to a beauty parlor and get a facial done. I've never really done it at home. Apart from actually giving myself maybe a DIY facial or like a skincare routine or something, I never really do like a full-on facial. So I'm really looking forward to using this, and if any of them are like up to my expectation, I'll definitely let you know in my next favorites video. Thank you to VLCC, and thanks to all of you guys for choosing to support my channel. If not for that, I don't think I would have gotten invited to the event. So massive thanks to you guys, and also massive thanks for watching this video. If you guys liked it, hit the thumbs up button. Let me know in the comments below if next time if I ever go to an event like this, or if I ever get invited, what kind of questions would you guys like for me to ask the professionals. And yeah, I will see you in my next one. Love you guys. Bye. Oh, subscribe.